Below are the total electrical costs and the number of occupancy days over the last year for the Cheyenne Hotel in Big Sky, Montana. An occupancy day represents a room rented out for 1 day. The hotel's business is highly seasonal, with peaks occurring during the ski season and in the summer. Estimate fixed and variable costs per unit using the high-low method. For the high-low method, we need to select the high and the low activity levels. The high activity level occurs in the month of August, where we have 2,406 occupancy days and a total electrical cost of $5,148. The low level of activity occurs in the month of October, where we only have 124 occupancy days and a total electrical cost of $1,588. The change then in units or occupancy days is 2,282, and the change in our total cost is $3,560. The next step is to use this change in cost, which is the rise, and the change in occupancy, which is the run, to calculate the slope of our line, which will give us our variable cost per unit or variable cost per occupancy day. Our variable cost per unit or cost per occupancy day then is the $3,560 in cost divided by the change in units of 2,282. We get a variable cost per occupancy day of $1.56. Next, we select either our total high or low cost data point. We've selected our high level of activity, where we had a total cost of $5,148. We next need to calculate our variable cost at this level of occupancy. Our cost per occupancy day was $1.56, and our number of units or occupancy days at this high level of activity was 2,406 days. We multiply our 2,406 by our $1.56 per day to get a total variable cost of $3,753. To calculate our total fixed cost, we simply take our total cost and subtract our variable cost of $3,753 to get a total fixed cost of $1,395. This gives us our cost equation then. Our total cost, or Y, will equal our fixed cost of $1,395 plus our variable cost, which is $1.56 per occupancy day, multiplied by our number of occupancy days, or X.